previous video in the digital marketing case study, we have gone through the data set, looked upon the key KPIs, formulas, and then we have gone through the Google Data Studio, imported the data set, built up some key KPIs. We have built up the scorecards, line chart, bar charts, donut charts, and pie charts. In this video, we will make it more visually appeal and we will try to select a theme here. So firstly, we will name the different uh, visualizations here. So this is clicks, click-through rate and our timeline. So we will rename it as clicks and click-through rate versus timeline. So we will increase the size of it. 16 looks fine. We will make it as bold and in between. So this styling looks fine. So we will add same styling to all of the other visualization headings also. So here it is showing a little bit upwards, so we will make it downwards. Here the heading is cost per cost payment and return on investment versus the timeline. And here we have the and here we have return on investment as per campaigns and ad groups. Now we will move this a little bit down here, so it would show of same level. Same thing right here, we will do a little bit left and this one a little bit right. A little bit in center. Now these are very too small, so we will write this one is as per campaign. Return on investment as this is for the campaigns. And this is ad groups. We will keep it a little bit center. So yeah, now we will go to the file and see some themes and layout and see which one is matching for us. No, this is not looking fine. this one is looking a little bit off. This one too. This one is also looking pretty good. We will see the black theme. The black theme is also looking appealing. So here we will select the black theme only. In the next page, we will try to keep different things and different visualization. So till then, keep learning.